Hey guys, Bobby at Southern Comfort Automotive Performance. I'm standing outside of Lakeland Auto Mall Ford here in Lakeland, Florida. They are one of our newest dealers. I'm going to do a quick walk around on one of our trucks that they just got in for you. 150 2018 Super Crew FX4 models. This is the XLT with the 302A equipment group. We've done our Black Widow package on it. That aren't familiar with it, I'm going to explain this to you. Start at the front of the truck. We have painted the two bars that go across the front of the truck. They are typically a graphite color from Ford, so we color match that. So if the truck's white, we're going to paint that white, or if it's blue, we'll paint that blue. This has got our hood scoop on it. It is functional. There are holes cut in here into the actual hood itself, and then we put mesh over it, so if you want to put a cold air intake system or supercharge the truck or something like that, it will get heat off the motor, because as you guys know, heat is the a deterrent to horsepower. We've also put a bug shield on this thing just to kind of keep the front of the truck looking good going down the road. These are our proprietary fender flares. These bolts we have powder coated black instead of chrome. You can get them in either iteration, so it just, on this truck, since it was black, we wanted to do black bolts. The flare we make in-house, so it's not something you can buy on the open market. It's something we make specifically for our trucks to give us our own look. This wheel is our wheel. This is our 22-inch by 12 wheel. It is designed by us, made by us specifically for the Black Widow truck. We run a Toyo open country on it. It's a 35 12.5 22. It's got the red brake caliper cover you see there is just that. It's just for looks. It's not for performance. We have not messed with the brake system at all. It's just something to basically put our name on and give it a good clean look to the truck with the red theme. This is a 6-inch lift that we use. It is made by Fabtech for us. It is a suspension. It comes with our standard, we call them wheel-to-wheel step bars. It's got our Black Widow logo on it, but it does give you the step in the back to get up into the bed. It is functional, so it allows you to reach up over into it. It does have dual exhaust on it. It's a Gibson stainless steel exhaust system. I'll crank it up here for you. Got a good rumble to it. The package we order has got the reverse sensors, the backup camera, so you don't lose any of that just going to an XLT. This is really the most value, or the most bang for your buck, on this XL 302A package. Get on the inside here so y'all can take a look around. You still have the keypad on the side. Helps if you unlock it. On the inside, what we do, again sticking with the Black Widow theme, is all the wood that's typically silver in this truck from Ford, from the factory, we take out and paint black. It just gives it a clean look. Again, sticks with the Black Widow theme of the truck. We also do Black Widow gauge clusters. This one being an XL with cloth bucket seats on the 302A package from Ford. We have put road wire seat covers in these, along with our leather seat covers, along with our leather Black Widow headrest cover. This one has got the panoramic roof in it as well, which is a cool option. You still get nav, you still get the center console shifter, you got heated seats. Obviously this is a 4-wheel drive truck, and you have the trailer backup assist on it as well. So one thing I love about Ford trucks, the steering on them is just real tight. The truck can turn on a dime. We travel all the time in these trucks, so they've got tons of storage, tons of USB ports to plug your power stuff into. I mean, you can plug your laptop into this and power it up. 12-volt plug there, obviously. Appreciate you guys stopping by and taking a look at it. If you got any questions or comments, please leave them below, and we will be glad to answer them.